What are bubbles on Google Messages and how to enable it? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So bubbles on Google Messages are a form of notification, and in order to enable it, simply launch your Messages app. Then tap on the three dot line, then go to settings. After that, you will see the option notifications. Go there, and if you have the option of bubbles on Google Message, it will appear over somewhere over here. So you just have to tap on it and enable it. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.